Okay, we begin adjustment nodes here from apps. Apps means absolute number. For example, here, as you can see, we have a hill. The apps node is adjustment layer. It means if you disconnect it from the something, it's error. It does not act individually. You have to connect in its input. The apps just have a simple threshold. It means it deletes the value. It's actually modify the number, the higher or the lower number of the exact number that you create. You can see it. For example, as you can see, it's deleting the below part, and you can go to threshold. It's masking here. As you can see, we connect the hills to the apps. For example, if you bring from scratch, as you can see, we have an apps. We have to give it input. It has, of course, mask. Or, for example, we have a hill here. If you connect it directly, it gives you something like this in a 3D. As you can see. I couldn't understand exactly the usage of the apps in this case, but if you create a mask, I have to give you a lot of example about it. This is our mask. Okay, you can go to edit mask and edit mask something nice. This is our mask. You can, for example, mask that hill. This is our mask, and as you can see, it gives something like this to you. Oh, now it's better. You can better see that. Nice. For example, as you can see, it's deleting the TC to the nothing. Yeah, you can see it better here if you use a mask. Nice. So we have a hill that we create a mask and give it to the apps number. And in this is our final node that you can disappear it or create it. If you want, you can use such these things if you want.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.